on Terry Ackman.
If you sit for I come here today on behalf of Mr. Atkins, my love, please say that. Terry, any Michael Atkins?
Thank you, sir.
It's got a free trial, well, it costs, that's what you're not saying, I guess,
Do you have a preference?
dismissal.
Dismiss. All right, without prejudice, sir. That means they could refile, but it's pretty unlikely. All right, Mr. Bowditch, I'm all yours again. Dinkins.
For the record, just about a clear company, having a result this weekend, and with these things.
Thank you, Mr. Dinkins.
State time set for pre-trial in this matter. I met with prosecution, I met with Mr. Dinkins. Mr. Dinkins at this time, which is operating while visibly impaired with the understanding that two original charges be dismissed.
Thank you. I'm assuming that's impaired by drugs?
Yes, sir. Yeah, marijuana.
Mr. Dinkins, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch?
Yeah.
You understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily, sir? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus July 25?
Yes.
And did you drive that vehicle after you consumed marijuana?
Yes.
Was your ability to operate that vehicle visibly impaired due to your consumption of the marijuana? Let me ask it this way. Do you have children? Do you have nieces and nephews that you love? Would you want me driving them all around the state of Michigan after I smoked what you smoked that day? Why? Would you agree that it could affected your driving the same way it could affect my driving in that scenario? Are you satisfied? So am I. I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charges. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll accept the plea. I'm going to send you down. I've dismissed the other two charges. I'm going to send you downstairs to the probation department. You're going to. Yeah.
Can I do that on restricted license?
Can you do what?
DoorDash on restricted license.
I don't know. I don't know why not. I mean, that would be up to DoorDash. Yeah.
You're allowed to drive for work.
Yeah, I would think so. I don't know why not. Yeah, I don't know because I've never had the question presented to me, but I don't know why not. Yeah. So go downstairs. They're going to set up an interview date. You're going to come back for the interview. Based on the interview, the probation officer will prepare a report and recommendation of sentencing. You'll come back for sentencing. You have a chance to go over that paperwork with counsel. I will have looked at the report and then we'll have a conversation and I'll decide what the sentence is. Questions? No. Downstairs.
Thank you, Ron.
You're welcome. David Ellis.
Very good. Hey, Ron, for the record, Jeff Bowditch, here on behalf of and with Mr. Ellis. Sir, could you tell Doug what please?
David Ellis.
Thank you.
Except for raving in this round, everybody think reading standard. So I had a chance to pre-try this case, Ron. We do have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Ellis is going to be pleading guilty to an added count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle with the understanding the original driver to be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Ellis, you understand your rights and options?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge, the added charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Was that on February 18 this year? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Ellis?
He is working for this museum.
Oh, okay. Good, good. So there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Good. Are you employed? Okay, how long you been with GM?
Almost 8 years.
Okay, all right. Anything else? What shift do you work with GM? Day shift? What days are you working?
6 days a week, usually, Sundays, 11 a.m.
All right, usually I would order work days, 4 days on the work program with this, but because of your job, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to order hours of community service. That means charity work.
Sorry.
All right, so On this file, fines and costs are $500, 30 hours community service between now and July 1. Can you pay the money today?
How much will it?
5. All right, go downstairs, take care of the money. If you want a list of pre-approved organizations, then ask for that at the counter, same counter where you're paying your money. Just tell them you need the community service list. You can work with someone that's not on that list. Just make sure they're registered as a nonprofit with the IRS. Questions? You're all set. Good luck with Mr. Zick.
The first matter involved Keshen Brown. Although the hearing was brief, Judge Oakley revisited issues connected to Mr. Brown's previous case, including discussion surrounding a hand injury that had apparently affected his ability to complete certain obligations. The judge made it clear that the court expected compliance moving forward. Mr. Brown was instructed to complete his remaining community service work days and take immediate steps to establish a formal payment plan for any outstanding court costs. The message from the bench was straightforward: previous challenges may be considered, but court-ordered responsibilities still need to be fulfilled. Shortly afterward, the court turned its attention to a more significant in-custody case involving Terry Amon. Because Mr. Amon was already being held in custody, the proceedings carried a greater sense of urgency. Following a discussion between defense counsel and the court, the situation took an unexpected turn. Judge Oakley announced that the case would be dismissed without prejudice. For many viewers, that legal phrase can be confusing. A dismissal without prejudice means the charges are being dropped for now, but prosecutors technically retain the ability to refile the case at a later date if circumstances change. However, during the discussion, Judge Oakley suggested that such a possibility appeared unlikely, indicating that the matter may effectively be coming to an end. The decision marked a favorable outcome for the defendant, at least for the time being. Instead of continuing through what could have been a lengthy legal process, the case was removed from the court's active docket. While the door remains open for future action, the court's comments suggested that the chances of seeing the case return are relatively small.